Good morning everyone, welcome back to a new video. So as you probably see by the title and thumbnail of this video, I've bought a Mark 5 GTI. Well, I don't know if I actually did buy one, but if the video comes out, I guess I did buy it. It's currently a Sunday night. I did find the car a few hours ago. I was messaging the guy trying to get a recovery truck to go over and pick it up because it is damaged, so obviously I can't drive it home. But I did manage to get a recovery truck for tomorrow. So let's hope everything plays out right and I go pick the car up. The damage isn't that bad, as you probably see in the thumbnail. It is an older car as well, so the parts shouldn't be that expensive. I will do a full breakdown of how much I bought the car for, what the parts cost, and how much I sold the car once I do sell it. But for now, I'm not planning on selling it. I do kind of want to keep it for a while because I did want the Mark 5 GTI for quite a long time with a DSG gearbox. So in this video I will probably pick the car up if it's worth picking up, and also do a quick walk around, show you what the damage is, and then in the next video we can start working on the car hopefully. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video.
That music.
I know that I'm worth it. If you want it, you could purchase. You could get all the purses. I could buy you all the burgers. I know my purpose, to show you that you isn't worthless. In the rows with the curtains, hoping to block out the curses. Gotta go hard on my verses, hoping that maybe you'll notice. Lately it's been hard to focus. I'm tired of feeling so hopeless.
Okay, so welcome to the second part of today's video. As you probably see by the title and thumbnail, I did end up buying the Mark 5 GTI, which is right behind me. So the quality of these videos is probably not going to be the best because I do have to work out of my granddad's garage, and there is not much space inside the garage and the lights are quite terrible, so I do have to use what I have in order to get this car finished as soon as possible so I can start making more videos about the car. I was considering on not making videos about the rebuilding this car because of the garage situation. But I do want to get this car finished back on the road as soon as possible. I am in process of building my own garage with my brother, so there will be a video coming out soon about that. Once we do have our garage finished, the quality of these videos is going to be a lot better because I will have more space to record and work on cars in general. The lights are going to be so much better as well, so stay tuned for that. So in this video I'm going to show you what the car looks like, just do a quick walk around, and also show you the damage that's done to the car. There isn't much damage done to the car, it's just bolt-on parts, so it should be a quick, easy repair and we can get this car back on the road. So without wasting any time, let's start off with the walk around and then I'll show you the damage that's done to the car. Okay, so starting off from the outside, I guess it does look like a normal Mark 5 Golf. There isn't much changes. I'll do a quick walk around of the outside and then I'll move on to the inside of the car, and then I'll show you the damage as well. So the outside is quite stock, there's not much changed. It is on some steel wheels with hubcaps. We do have some damage at the front that I will show you exactly in a minute. First of all, I'm just going to move on to the inside. So in the back here we do have some grills, caps, lights. The seats are folded down. We do have some leather seats, as you can probably see. So you can see the nice leather interior. We have a nice GTI logo here. As you can see, the car is a DSG. It has the DSG gearbox. That's the main thing I wanted in a Mark 5 GTI. Straight after selling my E46, this was the next car that I wanted to buy. And I was looking for a Mark 5 GTI straight after selling my E46, and I did manage to find one like 1 or 2 months later after selling the E46. So here it is. We are going to do a full rebuild on this car and also make more videos as the time goes on. We also have a nice GTI steering wheel. It feels nice and sporty when you're holding it with two hands, which is quite nice. As you can see, we have some paddles as well. We probably will get some paddle extensions later on down the line just to make the car look a lot better. I do like the way the extended paddle shifters look, so I will definitely be getting them soon as well. Alright, so now we can move on to the outside of the car. I can show you the damage. The front bumper needs to be changed. Luckily this grille survived and the bottom grills also survived, so I just have to get the bumper and I already have the grills. This light is all good. I do have to get this left light as well, and also the radiator support is cracked, as you can see right there, so I do have to replace that. This coolant reservoir needs to be changed as well. We do need this side wing and also the wing bracket. Unfortunately the hood is a bit damaged here, as you can see. I will try to repair this, just straighten this out and maybe spray a section of the hood. That might work. As you can probably see, the wheel is pushed back a bit, and that is because we do have some suspension damage as well. So I just turned the wheel and now you can probably see some of the damage if I can zoom in. The axle is, you can probably see it right there, that the axle is a bit bent, and also the lower control arm needs to be replaced as well. So that's it for the damage that's done to the car. You probably saw that there isn't much damage, it's all bolt-on parts, there is no frame damage. I did already check under the car to make sure that the gearbox isn't cracked or anything, because the hit came from the side, and you obviously know that the axle could have hit the gearbox and it could have cracked or something like that if there would have been a lot more damage. But luckily the gearbox is all good. I don't know if the car drives perfect. I did manage to drive it onto the recovery truck and back off the recovery truck into the garage, so it should be all good. But once we change the axle and the lower control arm, which is probably going to be in the next video, I will try to drive the car once we get them two things changed to make sure that the gearbox works all fine. I just wanted to make this quick video as an intro to this whole series, that I did actually end up buying a Mark 5 GTI, and I will be making videos about repairing this car. They may not be the best because I do have to work out of a very small garage with bad lights, but I will try to make it as good as possible. But obviously I do want to get this car fixed as soon as possible to get it back on the road, and so I can drive it and enjoy the car. That means that I do have to kind of sacrifice the quality of these videos, but I do want to keep making videos so I can see where I came from in the future and the progress that I've made. So if you did enjoy the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, also like the video and hit the bell notifications icon beside the subscribe button so you can be notified whenever I upload the next video and you don't miss the series of rebuilding this Mark 5 GTI. You can also check out my Instagram, which I will leave somewhere on the screen and in the description. I do post more frequently on Instagram, so you can be up to date on anything I do with this car, because I will be posting it on there. So thanks for watching the video, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video of this series.
Open the block out the curses. If you want it, you could get it. Riding around in the Civic. Told you that you had to quit it. You need a Rari to gas with no limit. Remember we did my little wish that we didn't. Whatever's broken, I wish I could fix it. Mama did pen too big, want her to kiss it. Guaranteed that she leave me, that she'll miss it. Sit my hands down in the gut, I should listen. I know I fucked up, got caught in the mission. This money dangerous, it fuck with my vision. First we was cruising, but now we caught friction. Had to switch up my flow, play with my dishing. How the little fish so real, but turn to fishing. Used to be you, not address my addiction. Keep saying I love you, but it just ain't hitting. You can fuck who you want, just don't be kissing. I know that I'm worth it. If you want it, you could purchase. You could get all the purses. I could buy you all the Birkins. I know my purpose, to show you that you isn't worthless.